Diego and Avalon sitting in a tree. You're going to have to save them because I'm in the same scenario as you. Hi, kitties. Hi, baby. Oh! Is that your friend? Is that your best friend? He's going to climb over you like he does me. Run away, Ditch! Run away!
Go get him. Yeah, go get him.
Do not lay down there. Oh, are you kidding me? He's asking for it. Oh, don't grab his tail. Oh, just grab that instead. I want to interfere so bad, but
He must like that a little bit.
yeah. Well, he put up with Riddler. It's very similar. Mal, I know. She's crazy. She's a little crazy. Run away, run away. Okay. Okay, I think we're done. I'm not gonna let her pick on you anymore, Didge. I promise.